Welcome to this charming 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-family home in Plainwell, Michigan, offering 1,800 square feet of finished living space and situated on a spacious lot. The thoughtful floor plan accommodates multiple living zones across the generous square footage. The main floor features a great kitchen with newer stainless steel appliances, snack bar and a pantry, a formal dining room, a living room, a family room, a completely remodeled full bathroom and 2 spacious bedrooms. The upper level needs some TLC but features a large landing area, 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Other updates include a new roof in 2020, water heater in 2022, fresh paint throughout the main floor, light fixtures, ceiling fan and some new flooring. The single-car garage offers